So here in this PPT, we are going to see about ER diagram for a banking enterprise. Here, customer, payment, loan, employee, account. All these things are going to be taken as an entity. So this is a customer attributes are customer ID, customer name, customer street, and customer city. Here the customer ID is going to be called as a primary key because it has been underlined. So through with the help of this primary key customer ID, the other attributes that is going to be the other rows, it is going to be found out. And there is one relationship called loan branch. It exists between two entities like loan and branch. And branch contains branch name, branch city, and assets. And branch name is the primary key. And here for loan and payment, payment is going to be taken as a weak entity since it's not having any primary key. If you take the attributes of payment, payment date, payment amount, and payment number, there is no primary key. So since it is a payment, it comes under the weak entity. And so if there is a weak entity, automatically the relationship contains a weak relationship. That is a loan payment. It is going to be defined as a weak relationship. And payment number, it is going to be taken as a discriminator. So instead of primary key, for this weak entity set, there will be a discriminator. And payment number, it is going to be called as a discriminator for this payment entity. And employee, in this employee, there are different attributes: employee ID, employee name, telephone number, start date, dependent name, and employment length. This employee, it can be worked for. So works for is a relation. Employee works for this manager, and another one is the employee can be of manager, and he is also called as a worker. And this employee ID, it is a primary key for this employee. And employment length, it is going to be taken as a derived attribute. And account is here savings account and checking out. That means this here relationship exists between the account entity. So string savings account and the checking account, and the savings account and the checking account interest rate and overdraft amount, they are going to be taken as the attributes. So this is how we can draw the ER diagram. So this ER diagram, it is being called as an extended ER diagram.